Alright everyone, today we're going to discuss the topic that is traveling while out on bail. Is it possible? When facing an arrest and being granted bail, many questions arise about what you can and cannot do. A common concern is whether it's possible to travel while out on bail. Though bail allows you to remain out of jail while awaiting your trial, it does not mean you have complete freedom. Certain restrictions often come with bail, particularly regarding travel. When a judge grants bail, they have the authority to set specific conditions, including travel limitations, to ensure the defendant does not flee or pose a threat to the community. Travel restrictions are a common condition and may include limited travel within local jurisdictions. Courts often limit travel to a specific area. Permissions required for out-of-state travel. In some instances, the court may allow out-of-state travel, but only with prior approval. You may need to request permission from the court or your bondsman well in advance for any intended travel. International travel ban. Courts typically prohibit international travel while you're out on bail. In most cases, you will be required to surrender your passport as a condition of your release to prevent any attempts to leave the country. These restrictions are put in place to minimize the risk of flight and ensure the defendants are available for court proceedings as required. Severity of charges. The nature of the charges against you can also influence whether you're allowed to travel while out on bail. For example, the court may be more lenient with travel in cases involving minor offenses, but stricter in cases involving more serious crimes. Common scenarios include misdemeanor offenses. Defendants facing misdemeanor charges may have more flexibility with travel, depending on the specifics of the case and the judge's discretions. Felony charges. For defendants charged with serious felonies, the court is more likely to impose stringent travel restrictions to prevent the risk of fleeing before trial. A bondsman in Roseville can help clarify any travel restrictions based on the charges you are facing and ensure that you are understanding the conditions of your bail agreement.